Hey, yo everybody. How's it going? Today, we finally got it. Steam Deck OLED, baby, that's right. Go ahead and get this thing unboxed here. See what we got. Let me just pull this box out and then... And not just any Steam Deck. OLED. That's right. Oh, wait, oops. Let me, man. Okay, well, that's about as good as I'm gonna get, but we got the Steam Deck OLED limited edition, baby. Let's go. I definitely thought I wasn't gonna be able to get this on launch day due to, you know, as usual, the Steam site crashing multiple times. But then eventually, like after 20 minutes, the checkout came live again, and I already had this added in my cart, and I was able to check out from there, and next thing you know, I got it. So I've been looking, you know, because I've been pretty restless here myself. We'll also be swapping my storage from my original Steam Deck. We'll be swapping them because that's 2 terabytes in my original Steam Deck, and then this one should have 1 terabyte. And this is the new dock, by the way, or the new charger. Is that plastic? We got a Steam Deck logo here, and it is way longer, which I appreciate. The original one was, oh yeah, it is. Look at that. A little bit of plastic there. Looking a little bit more classy. Nice little refinement. Definitely, if you don't have a Steam Deck now is the time to do it, right? Because OLED is, in my opinion, a game changer, especially when it's portable, right? So, how do I... Oof. What the heck? What? This is the most unsatisfying peel. Alright, well that's good enough. Okay. I can get that open. Oh, it's not, it's just like matte black. Interesting. I thought that would be a lot more pronounced like in the original one. Let me see if I can get that. Here's a difference here. Oh my gosh, it's gross. Just you can see I haven't been using the case because I've been using my other my JSOX grip, and it has like a divider, right? And a little spot for accessories. It's definitely a lot thicker, actually. So just put that to the side. And the original has, you know, some nice padding. It's hard. And here's a little 3D printed piece I have, where I have my original charger in there, which is still present, I believe, on the newer one. Let me check. Let's see. Jeez, I'm getting a bunch of dust on it already. Jeez, man. Jeez. Let me, okay. So it looks like we got a latch here. Is that for my desk? It's got like, yeah, it's got to be for my desk. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I might have been already there from the start, but yeah, we got our little pouch here for your charger. And a little Velcro latch here. I'm gonna need to break that, so unfortunate as it is, I'm gonna have to cut into this. But that should be it, right? Yeah, okay. Ooh. And with this being limited edition, you can see like the lining there is orange. Even the clips are actually see-through. Whereas on the original it's white, just like a solid color. Because obviously, you know, the limited edition deck is transparent smoke. And as we unbox it here. Ooh, I like that. It's got a nice liner, and wow. Wow, wait, this is... Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, just first impressions. Is that actually just the anti-glare screen? Just... Wow, okay, well, it's not going to pick up great on camera, but... Oh man, I'm just so taking it all in. Hang on, I'm just taking it all in. Wow, look at the back. My God, wow, I am so glad I got this. Like the accents on everything, like even the screws, the vent, the power button, the controllers, right? Although I do have some concerns about, like, you know, if I had to replace these these caps. thumbstick caps, the word for it, you know. Probably lose out on that, but I mean, oh my god. This is so, so much. Oh, and it comes with a nice microfiber towel. Not towel, cloth. Also, actually, okay, hang on. I gotta see. This apparently is removable somehow. If I can figure it out. I just pull up on it. Oh, yep, you just pull up on it. Wow, that is so cool. And then I got like this portable deck, or like a lot more slimmer version of a case to put on with me with the go. And I actually am going to travel here soon, so that'd be super nice to have. And then that just goes right back in, right? It also, hang on, I gotta look at this because I think it's a little bit narrower. Like looking at the two. Yeah, it kind of picks up on camera too, but even this looks like slightly smaller, but not by a large margin. Super cool. Ooh, okay. Wow, I really do like those thumbsticks. The buttons are a little bit more smoky now. Oh wow, wow. Okay, OLED is the way. It just. Oh my god, wow. Oh my gosh, the haptics. Wow, that is way better. I don't know if you can pick that up. Let's see if I can. It's probably not gonna pick up, but the buttons are a little bit more blacked out. These Steam and the quick settings button feel a lot better than the original or the newer or the original, right? Yeah. I'm stumbling over my words here. I'm just very impressed by. Like Valve said, they weren't going to do a newer one, but that feels pretty significant to me. And okay, I gotta get this. Well, I don't know if I have to get that out, but man. Okay, I do have to get this out. Hang on, give me a sec. Oh, it's booting up. I wonder if I can turn down my exposure here. Let's turn this down. There we go. Wow. Let me get this set up. Look at that. Get this message. Hello, you got one of the first Steam Deck OLED units, and we need to install some updates before you're ready to go. It requires a couple of reboots, and your screen will turn off from the middle. Hang tight, you'll be gaming in no time. I don't want to do that right now, so can I just power this off? Die. Come on. Okay. I'm just gonna assume that's dead. So I thought I'd be able to test the inputs, but I'm just gonna go for it. So let me grab my little thingy thing, and then let's get to disassembling these. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, we got it open. Oh, yes. Jesus Christ. Holy moly, dude. Whatever they changed to the clips, it's it's probably just a new device thing, but like it's way harder to open that time. Shout out to iFixit for having the tools. This thing, whatever this tool was, this one saved me. But also I think it might have, let me just inspect the bottom here. At least it was like, it kind of chipped away at it. Like here on the edge. Will the camera be able to see that? Let's see. I can't really see it. It's very minor. Wow. Also, I realized I didn't take out my SD card, micro SD card, and somehow miraculously it didn't break. So, thank you, Gaben. Actually, it looks like I got to... Actually, can I plug this? Unplug this right here? Come on, let's get this back on this thing. Oh my gosh, wait. I can. That is very good. Big fan of that one. Okay, let's... Unplug that. I'm going to leave that sticky there. Looks like I gotta take off 2 screws here. Oh wait, there's no way I'm gonna not be able to. Oh, this sucks. I really don't want to. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that hanging like that. Wow. Looks like they moved a lot of the power management right there. Fan wire still in like the same spot. No like thermal pads on the, what is this, like the ESD preventer or whatever. Special word. Okay. Looks like there's still speaker wire right here. And it looks like we got a, let me just go back to here and just zoom in. We got a, what is that, a QuickTel FC66E-B. It's cool stuff. Oh, and the M.2 uses a Torx bit as well. Let's just get this out. Different type of tape. What's the brand they're using? They're using, what is that? Microstar or something? I don't know. I don't know what that M logo is, but maybe someone from the comments can call it out. It says pyrite right there. Maybe that's what it is. 1 terabyte though. It's pretty cool. Huh. Anyways, let's get that let's get my other drive swapped. Okay, it's just flashing the OLED logo. This ain't good. Okay, so after reading here, I may have to plug this back into my old deck. Get that updated to the latest 3.5, I believe, and then plug it back in here. So we'll see how that goes. This deck is so loud. Let's go to system. We're on the stable channel. What, can I check what I'm on? Okay, I'm on 3.4.11, so let's update and see where we go to. Okay, we're on 3.5.5. I don't know if there's anything else. Like maybe I can check for updates again. Let's see. Up to date. Okay. All right. Let's swap it in now. Oh, yes, I see it on my windows. There we go. That was the key piece. Okay, well, let's do this firmware update. Just to make sure, you know, I just want to get this done, this firmware update going. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god, we are in, and immediately the screen is so good, dude. Oh my god, 90 hertz. Oh my god. You probably can't pick it up on screen. You definitely can't pick it up on screen. But oh my god, it looks so smooth in person, man. Wow. Yeah, and it got all my settings. It even has my OG startup thing. But let me just go ahead and well, it should. Never mind. Never mind. Maybe it'll give me the option to claim rewards later. Oh, there's an update. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, well. Okay, let me get this all back together, and then we will go from there. Looks like this is turning on too. Not bad, Valve. Not bad. Yeah, looks like a... What is this icon? Oh, SD card? Wait, what is that? Okay, I don't know what that does, but... I think they changed something very slightly about the membranes. It feels... more tactile, more... like a deeper actuation or something, but... Some people may not like the anti-glare, but me personally, like, I like it here. I'd rather have anti-glare screen with glares cut out than giant glares all over my screen. But, you know, maybe you do see deeper blacks or something, you know, so. Let me just go to controller. What? I don't have it installed? Oh no. My SD card needs to be formatted. What? Maybe, maybe it'll detect it now? No? Come on, let's go back. That already borked my SD card. Oh, wait, no. Games are showing up. Yeah, Elden Ring is there. Oh, hey, yo, okay. Oh boy. Wow, things just pop so much better on this screen, man. Let's turn off the lights. Oh, let's turn off the lights in here. Okay, that should be better. Looks like we're getting consistent around 40 FPS. Okay, well, it's the same same architecture, right? So.
New moves are. Wait, what? Just kidding. I can set up a training room for you to practice. Let me know when you're ready to wow me.
Yeah, this game runs really smooth. It really looks a lot better in here too. It's all the colors. Yeah, you know, not to get too into the nitty gritty, but you know, also a little bit of battery off of just a little bit of playtime too. But that's alright. I'm playing like more AAA titles esque. A-esque titles anyway. But yeah, overall, very satisfied with first impressions of the deck. Maybe more to come soon if you guys have anything else to request from me. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Oh, let me just go back to the home screen. Catch you on the next one.